Hello and welcome. In this short guide, we'll show you just how easy it is to track your order with the CreatePins order tracking system. You'll have real-time updates at your fingertips anytime you need them. Let's get started. First, go to CreatePins.com. Look at the top of the homepage, and you'll see the Track Your Order link. Go ahead and click on that. Now, you're on the tracking page. Here, you can enter either your unique order number or the email address you used when you contacted us. A quick tip: your order number is case sensitive, so be sure to type it exactly as it appears. Once your details are in, click the Track My Order button. And just like that, you'll see a full overview of your order. This includes the product name, quantity, current status, production stage, estimated shipping date, and the last time the status was updated. Once your order has shipped, the page will automatically update with your tracking number and carrier information. This means you can follow its journey without waiting for an email or making a call. A quick note on tracking by email: using your email address will only show your single most recent order. To view multiple or past orders, please use your specific order number for each one. Need customs documents? We've made that simple too. You can download everything you need directly from this same tracking page. The download package includes your commercial invoice and packing list, which helps make customs clearance quick and straightforward. When you're ready to download your customs documents, just fill in your company information. Preview the file for accuracy and click Download Commercial Invoice. Your browser will automatically save it to your default Downloads folder. You can download the packing list in exactly the same way. Thinking about your next project? To place a new order, just visit our Get a Free Quote page. Select your product, fill out the quick form, and submit it. Our team will get back to you with a quote within 24 hours. And that's all there is to it. You're now a pro at tracking your CreatePins order and managing your customs documents with ease. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your business and look forward to working with you again soon.